Let's take a moment to look at the key areas and how to move around the chemistry MOOC. The announcements page is your starting point in the review when you log in. On this page, you'll find the welcome video alongside any vital or updated information provided via the announcements. Clicking on the Read Me Before Starting takes us to the next section, which contains vital information and tips regarding the MOOC review site, including information on pacing yourself and an overview of the material that's covered. Clicking on the Resources You'll Need section moves us along. This section should be visited before digging into material, as it highlights key resources to keep handy, including recommending a free calculator, including a how-to video on how to use it, an optional textbook for reference, and also links to the periodic table, which you can print out to keep handy while you're reviewing. Let's now move on to the Start Here tab, which contains all the review material, which is divided up into 11 modules. Now, next to each module's name, we're going to have the key topics that are covered within each one of the modules, so you can see at a glance where you need to go to start your review. Let's dig into Module 1. Now, taking a look, each module contains 4 key sections. The first, a video-based series of slideshows that contain review material and embedded practice. Next, we have pen and paper homework, so you can hone your skills. And next, we have a quiz, so that you can test where you stand on the material. And finally, at the bottom of each section, we have a list of additional resources that you can find on the web to get extra tutorial help or a little extra review beyond our material. And finally, we can return to our list of modules by clicking the last icon in any one of the module selections. So let's return. We're now back at the list of 11 modules where we can move on to more material. Consider the chemistry MOOC like a buffet. You needn't sample all the dishes on the buffet. While reviewing, you can start at any point, you can stop and start as you need to, but if you're just starting out in chemistry, it is recommended that you start in Module 1 and proceed all the way to Module 11 sequentially, because topics tend to build on one another.